Hello and welcome to English for Beginners class. Today's lesson is about prepositions. Prepositions. In. A ball is in the box. On. An apple is on the box. Under. A ball is under the box. In front of. An apple is in front of the box. Behind. The apple is behind the box. Between. The apple is between two boxes. Next to. The ball is next to the box. In. On. Under. In, on, under. In front of. Behind. Next to. Between. Where are the balls? They're in the basket. They are in the basket. Where are the skates? They're on the table. Where is the ball? It's under the table. Where is the bike? It's behind the skates. Where is the bike? It's behind the skates. Where is the book? It's in front of the bag. Where is the book? It's in front of the bag. Where is the book? It's in front of the bag. Where is the pencil? It's between two books. Where is the pencil? It's between two books. Where is the doll? It's next to the bed. Where are the toy cars? They're in the toy box. Where are the toy cars? They're in the toy box. Where is the doll? It's on the shelf. Where is the doll? It's on the shelf. Where is the plant? It's between two chairs. Where is the plant? It's between two chairs. Now answer these questions. Where are the toys? There, in, on, under. Which one is the correct answer? They're in the basket. Where are the pencils? They're between, under, in. Yes, the correct answer is number 3. They're in the pencil case. Where's the train? It's under, on, in. Yes, number 2. It's on the table. This was the end of the lesson. To see more videos, please subscribe the channel.